Durston's superior solid hardwood workbench is the ultimate tool for professional use, complementing our established oak workbench. It offers the same exceptional quality in a package that takes little more than 15 minutes to assemble. The extra thick worktop provides excellent support for your projects, while the high railing around the top edge and sides prevents anything from slipping off. A pull-out work surface adds even more flexibility. The bench includes 6 side drawers, providing valuable storage space across 2 different sizes. A center drawer at the top is complemented by a large catch tray midway down with a metal stainless steel liner. The unique solder tray means you're ready to start work straight away, while pre-drilled holes for mandrels, a bench peg, together with useful arm supports, complete this superbly designed workbench that carries all the hallmarks of Durston's attention to detail. Rest assured the workbench comes with multi-transit packaging, guaranteeing safe and damage-free delivery to your door. The superior solid hardwood workbench, part of Durston's award-winning range of products available since 1961.